All right. This is Luke Wislocki in Astronomy 195 lab, and this is my video for purchasing and assembling a Meade Polaris 70mm telescope, German equatorial telescope project. So, first off, I'm going to grab the pieces here. We're going to start off with the tripod of the telescope. I've already got the legs extended here and tightened. Next thing we need to get is a tray for your eyepieces, which is right here. You want to slide it on as it fits and turn it until it clicks in. Here we go. Nice and tight. And the next thing that we're going to want to grab for this is the blue mount for this thing. The mount looks like this right here, and this little protruding part is going to go right into there, and you're going to push this up, screw it right in. There we go. Easy enough. This thing right here is tightenable and loosenable. It controls which way it's facing here, and it should be all the way up for this project, so I'll be keeping it here and tightening it. Alright, there we go. Next thing we're going to need to get is the counterweight and this metal bar that goes through the counterweight into here. Alright, just put it right through there, right through the hole of the counterweight. It's going to go into here to help balance. There we go. It's in there perfect, about halfway, and I'll tighten this counterweight up. There we go. Now we're getting somewhere. I'm going to grab the next piece here. These are for adjusting the X and Y, basically the angles of how the telescope is facing. These have to fit right into these little notches here, as I remember. So, you gotta be a little careful putting them in. Alright, that one's on. And the next one's going on the back side. It's a little tight. Sit here and put it on this one because it'll rotate. Oh, they should go together. There we go. Whew. Give me more trouble than I needed today. Alright, that one's on tight. Next thing we're going to need is to get the actual telescope lens itself. So, now that we've got this, it's going to fit, it's going to fit right in there. And these are going to screw down to tighten it in. So, let's go ahead and fit that piece now. Okay. Nice and tight. We will get this ready for viewing in a second. All right. All right, now the last part, very essential for this, we're gonna grab the eyepiece. obviously this is what allows us to see through here. Normally there would be a cap in here, unscrew these, take it out, place the eyepiece in, tighten it back down. All right, now quickly I'm gonna adjust it here to see something and I'll show the camera. I've got the 26mm lens in. All right, pretty clearly here you can see the creek down there. Let's see where that's at through there. All right. There it is. Running water. All right. Nice. Now for the disassembly. Let's see, let's get this set back up. All right. Now for the disassembly. Same way we assembled it, basically. Remove the eyepiece when you're done using it. Place all the safety caps back on. Then you're going to want to remove the actual telescope itself, the lens. Here we go. Put this off to the side. Then we're going to need to get rid of these things. Don't unscrew them all the way because you definitely don't want to lose these tiny screws. Always remember that. Now, of course, we've got to get rid of this counterweight, so we'll leave this tightened onto here, but we'll remove the rod and the counterweight at the same time here. Fights it a little bit, but I got it. All right. Whoops. Actually, I'll leave this over here as well. And now we're gonna take this mount off. One of the first things we put on there. There's the main mount. Off. And again, apply a little bit of pressure here. Not too much force. You don't want to force anything in here. Take the little tray off. Perfect. And fold your tripod up. Put the legs up if you'd like to put it back in the box and everything. Thank you very much for watching the video.